Welcome to Over the Vast Nurseries, where we grow a wide variety of outdoor garden plants, ones that have been especially selected for their performance here in our region. That's the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states of the USA. Lots of really good plants, and if you'd like to find out more about them, can I suggest that you click and subscribe to this channel, and then each time that we feature a plant and post it on one of our videos, you'll be first in line to see all of the exciting varieties that we're growing here on the nursery. Lots of new developments happening all the time, and ones that are highly unusual and worth thinking about for planting in your garden. Take for example this very nice form of the Maiden Grass. This is Miscanthus fire dragon, a selection that was found in Germany, in Wolfstein in Germany, by Klaus Manzel. He found this in 1992. It was a seedling that occurred in their beautiful garden there, and it was one that he watched consistently for 20 years. And each year he noticed that at the end of the autumn time, as we got into cooler weather, the foliage turned from this beautiful bright green color through to burgundy wine color, and then eventually to really bright fiery orangey red color. Highly unusual to have a Miscanthus that has this very bright, eye-catching, in fact stunning color. Now it's a plant that gets to about 6 to 7 foot high, and just like the other Miscanthus, is a very reliable, easy to grow plant. I probably don't need to tell you that Miscanthus, or Maiden Grass as they're commonly known, are very popular plants grown throughout our region. They're well known for their reliability, widely grown for their lovely fluffy flowers that are just beginning to emerge on this plant now. When you touch them, these soft silky flowers have a very nice kind of texture. The whole plant has got an upright habit, but with arching foliage that brings a lot to the display too. But it's these long-lasting flowers that I think most people will grow them for. Well, that at least until the development of this selection that has this beautiful bright colored autumn color too. So here's a variety that not only brings you upright habit with its arching foliage, that brings you lovely flowers in the late summer and early autumn, but then as it goes through the year and gets into the latter part of the autumn, will turn a bright fiery orange color too. So lots of changing habit from this plant, and a lot of really ornamental value that means it certainly deserves a plant and deserves a place in your garden. Hardy to zone 4, easy to grow in a sunny, well-drained position. This is an excellent form of the Miscanthus or Maiden Grass. This is Miscanthus fire dragon.